Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning, all of you. Now, children, all of you open your cameras just for a minute. Show me your faces, and then you can close them. If you have network issues, otherwise you're supposed to sit in the class with your cameras on. We'll begin the class only when you'll show me your faces. Khushi Rathwar, Pranjal Gupta, once again, children, open your cameras, show me your face, and then we'll begin our class. Om Saraswat.
Ma'am, can I bring
Yes,
my
ma'am.
French book?
Yes, better go and get. All of you, please open your cameras. You can close them later if you have network issue, children. Just show me your face and then you can close your camera.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning to all of you. All of you get ready with your French copies. We are going to do a practice sheet today, a worksheet today.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Children, I will share a sheet with you. I'll share a screen with you. Write those questions in your in your French fair copies, and then you have to answer these questions. Clear to all of you?
Okay, ma'am.
Good, very nice.
Ma'am, can I just bring my notebook?
Yes, beta, go and bring.
Ma'am, we have to write question also.
Yes, definitely.
Ma'am, what are the questions?
Now see, I'm sharing the screen with you. Just a minute. Can you see? All of you, can you see the screen?
Coding.
Not a
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes. Now these questions have to be answered in French only. In exams also, you'll answer the questions in French if the question is asked in French. Only if you are asked to translate in English, then you're supposed to use English language in your French paper.
Ma'am, the questions are coming till only question 7.
No problem, beta. Do till here and then I'm going to bring another screen. I'm going to scroll it down and then there is one more side of the sheet.
Ma'am, what is written after quelle est la? Ma'am, first question.
Okay, the first question is quel est le dernier jour de la semaine? DERNIER. May I read out all the questions before you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, everybody pay attention. Second question. Quel jour sommes-nous aujourd'hui? Tu vas à l'école le vendredi? Tu aimes le gâteau? Nous sommes en quel mois? Quelles sont les 4 saisons de l'année? De quelle couleur est votre livre français? Quel est le premier mois de l'année? Then just wait. And children, you are not going to answer these questions in one word. You have to frame full sentence. Just wait, children. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. There are only 8 questions. For now, just do these 8 questions. This is all. If you don't understand any question, you can ask me what it means.
Ma'am, please scroll it up. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I am
go
on
ahead.
7.
Ma'am.
Yes, beta, yes, say.
Ma'am, in the exam, will you tell us what the French question mean in English?
No, I'm not going to tell you the meaning of any question in English.
Ma'am, please scroll.
And Aditya beta, just write the question, then its answer. What you're doing, you're writing all the questions all together.
Ma'am, I am leaving space for answers.
Okay, then it's fine.
Ma'am,
Those who
please
will answer these kind of questions in one word will get only half mark. Beta, the 8th question is, yes, say.
Ma'am, we have to write a question also.
Definitely. How will you revise then before your exam? Whatever practice sheets we'll be doing now, you have to revise all the work for your finals.
Ma'am, what a denier?
Dernier. What is dernier?
Ma'am,
What is premier?
last.
Ma'am, last and
first
ma'am,
and dernier means
dernier
last.
means last.
Very good. Very nice.
Okay, ma'am.
It's premier and dernier.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, is the, ma'am, DA.
Sorry?
Ma'am, when we write is in English, it is the, DA, the. In French.
No, beta, is को तो EST कहते हैं ना? क्या हो गया आदित्य?
Okay, ma'am.
And tue के साथ what does it become? Tue के साथ अगर is लगाना है तो क्या होता है?
Ma'am,
आदित्य कुमार.
Yes.
आदित्य कुमार, ये
Yes,
हम
ma'am.
is जब भी यूज करते हैं बेटा, you always have to keep in mind être verb.
yes.
ओके? एकदम से ऐसा लग रहा है अभी सब ब्रश आउट हो गया तुम्हारे माइंड से.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I 1 second leave the class? I'm joining from my laptop.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Children, have you understood all the questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ranshir, did you give your UT3 French paper?
Yes, ma'am.
But I haven't received it. Did you
Ma'am,
send me?
I had.
Have you mailed
Ma'am, I
me?
had.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am. Check. I'll just. I know I gave it, ma'am. 1 second. I'll just check, and if not, I'll just send you.
Resend it to me because I am sure I have uploaded the marks today only of all children and I didn't receive yours.
Okay, ma'am. 1 second. Let me check.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, please scroll it. Ma'am, please scroll
Ma'am,
it down.
ma'am, you will tell the marks on WhatsApp group.
No, beta, you're going to come to the PTM now. Then we are going to show you. And is there
Okay,
any
ma'am.
Arya Upadhyay in class 7th? 7th
Yes,
B.
ma'am.
Arya Upadhyay. And somebody named Divyanshu. Divyanshu is also there. And in which section
Excuse me,
is?
ma'am.
Yes. Yes, better say.
अरे ये क्या हुआ? Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, please show ma'am 5th one, ma'am. I'm not able to see.
Okay, just wait.
Ma'am, you can send on WhatsApp also.
Shall I send it there?
Yes, ma'am, it will be easier.
Okay, fine. I'll
Ma'am,
do that.
ma'am, ma'am, when there is a PTM?
Beta, you'll be informed about that.
Ma'am, for the third.
Children, I have shared the picture on your WhatsApp group, class group. I am now stopping this share. Fine? See from that
Excuse me,
side.
ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, in the question number 3, ma'am, they are asking, you go to a school on Friday. So, ma'am, my answer will be yes, I will go to the school on Friday. Ma'am, for the yes, ma'am, should I write we?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
We, je vais à l'école le vendredi. This is your complete answer. If you are going to write only we, you will get half mark in the answer. Pranjali, from which section are you? Pranjali. No reply. Pranjali, are you even there in the class?
Ma'am, B.
You're in B. Beta, did you give your French paper?
Yes, ma'am.
So resend me the PDF. I haven't received. Now those, beta, just wait, just wait. Just WhatsApp me your papers. Is it fine? Ransher, you also.
Excuse me,
Pranjali, you also. Yes.
ma'am, show you something.
Show beta.
Ma'am, my phone says it is it's your address was not found. That's why I couldn't
Okay, now
send.
WhatsApp me. Just WhatsApp me whatever you would send.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, in
Pranjali-
sixth question,
Yes.
ma'am, in sixth question, it is asking what is the fourth month of the year?
No. Quel sont? Quel sont means what?
Ma'am, what is?
Which are? It's which are. Okay. Which are les quatre? What is les quatre?
Ma'am, the four.
The four. And what is saison?
Ma'am, season
Yes. Which are the four seasons?
of the year.
Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, please, ma'am, tell the fifth question. I'm not able to understand it.
Okay. Now, whenever we ask about what is the day or what is the month, how do we ask in French? Nous
Ma'am, I
sommes, nous sommes quel mois or nous sommes quel
No,
jour?
ma'am. No, ma'am. I only need the pronunciation of the question. I'm not able to read it.
Nous sommes en quel mois?
Excuse me,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I sent the paper on your personal WhatsApp number.
Okay. Manya Verma. Manya, beta, just unmute yourself. Manya, have you given your French paper? Because I haven't received yours as well. Pranjali, Ransher, I have received your paper now. Manya Verma, you can also WhatsApp me.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of question number 4?
What is question number 4? Read it out.
Ma'am, tu ami la gâteau.
Okay. Tu aimes le gâteau. And there is a question mark in the end. So how are we going to read it? We'll read tu aimes le gâteau. Now what is le gâteau?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
cake.
Ma'am,
Cake. Cake in French is called gâteau. Then tu M. Where does M come from? Which verb is M?
Ma'am,
take
ER ending
a
verb.
friend.
Ma'am, like to.
To like. Aimer. M comes from the word
Amen.
aimer.
Ma'am,
So,
emer. Ma'am, to
aimer.
like or to love.
Yes, aimer. So it's asking, you like cakes? You like the cake?
Yes, okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, in the question number 6, we have to name all the 4 seasons which are there in French.
Yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am.
Because we have done all the seasons we have done in a
Okay, ma'am.
chapter.
Ma'am, what is icons?
What is?
Ma'am, icons.
Saison.
Ma'am,
It's saison.
season.
Saison is seasons.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of sixth
Beta, read it out.
question? Quelles sont les quatre saisons de
Quelles sont les 4 saisons de l'année? What is les saisons? Les saisons is the season.
The seasons.
So they're asking which are the 4 seasons of the year?
l'année?
Which are the 4 seasons of the year? Yes, Bhavya? What are you?
Ma'am, I have done.
Very nice, very quick.
Ma'am, but in the question of 6, ma'am, answer ma'am, शायद या पुत्र सेसो दिलाने.
Yes, les 4 saisons de l'année sont. This is how you're going to frame the line.
We can write like this: the 4 seasons of the year are.
Yes. That is what I said in French, beta. Les 4 saisons de l'année sont.
I have written that only.
Good,
Am
very
I
nice.
also?
I'm done.
Very good. What about others?
Ma'am, I'm on last question.
Okay. In which section is Shivesh Shitikant? Does anyone know?
Ma'am, I think in B.
Ma'am, is mine my B section.
He's in B section. Okay. And
What
Arya
is the meaning of
Upadhyay?
7th question?
Seventh,
who?
Arya Upadhyay.
Ma'am, we have to write the season in sequence or
No, you can write it anyhow.
okay, ma'am.
Nobody knows about Arya Upadhyay?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
What is the meaning of question 7?
Beta, question 7th is de quelle couleur est votre livre français? De quelle couleur
I'm done.
means. What does the quelle
I'm done.
couleur mean? Good, good, very nice. De quelle couleur?
What
No.
are the colors?
Of, no beta. Of which color?
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
I
Of
have done.
which color?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, everyone has done? All right. Vanshika, you've done? Or you're still doing?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Done. Okay. What is the answer of the first one?
La dimanche et la dernière jour de la semaine.
Very nice. Quel est le dernier jour de la semaine? This question means which is the last day of the week? So what is the last day of the week? That's
Dima.
Sunday. Yeah, that's
I'm
Sunday.
done.
Dima.
Dimanche. So how are you going to answer it? Dimanche est le dernier jour de la semaine. Then, who will answer the next one? Fazil Khan. Fazil Khan, can you try? Fazil is not there, huh? Okay, Daksh Bhardwaj.
Yes, ma'am.
Second one, beta. Daksh, what is the answer of the second question?
Will aujourd'hui.
What?
Ma'am, please tell the meaning of this sentence.
Why didn't you ask me before? What were you doing for so long? Quel jour sommes-nous aujourd'hui? What is aujourd'hui?
Dima.
First of all, tell
Ma'am,
me
today.
what today. What is the meaning of
Ma'am, today.
aujourd'hui? Yes, that's today. So when I ask quel jour sommes-nous? What is quel jour? Which
What day?
Yes.
Which
Ma'am,
day?
which day?
So how do we ask if I want to ask what is the day today? How do we ask in French?
Quel
Quel
jour?
Quel jour
sommes-nous?
Quel jour sommes-nous?
Yes.
Or jour.
So the question is, what is the day today? So Daksh, how are you going to answer it? Okay. Who will tell? Ayush Agarwal, can you tell the answer? Children, am I not audible? Who will tell the answer of this one?